Hello friends, today we are going to talk about what is Vernier Caliper and how to take measurements by Vernier Caliper like outer dia, inner dia, length, width, depth, height. So let's begin. Vernier Caliper is a measuring instrument by which we can measure length, width, depth, thickness and dia, inner and outer, of given specimen or workpiece. The measuring range of Vernier caliper is 0 to 200 mm. That is, we can take measurement by Vernier caliper in between 0 to 200 mm. It is made of hardened stainless steel. The main components of Vernier caliper is following: main scale, Vernier scale, measuring jaw, depth measuring rod. Alright friends, this is Vernier caliper details diagram. This is the main scale. The reading is in between 0 to 200 mm. This is Vernier scale, which is 50 division. This is fixed internal and external jaw that can't be moved. And this is movable internal and external jaw that can be easily moved. After taking measurements by internal or external jaw, tight these screws and take readings. And lastly, this is the depth measuring bar or rod. The difference between main scale or Vernier scale is only that the 50 Vernier scale division equal to 49 main scale division. Least count. The least count of Vernier caliper is 0.02 mm or 0.001 in inch. That means we can measure the minimum reading at least 0.02 mm by Vernier caliper. It is already mentioned in every Vernier scale. You can check it. Also by formula we can easily find out the least count. That means the least count equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 Vernier scale division. As we know, the total Vernier scale reading or division is 50. That is equal to 49 reading or division of main scale. So 1 Vernier scale division equal to 49 by 50, that is 0.98 mm. Now by formula, 1 main scale reading minus 1 Vernier scale reading equal to 1 minus 0.98. So least count equal to 0.02 mm. Now we will learn to get Vernier caliper reading by example. That is Vernier caliper equal to main scale reading plus Vernier scale reading into least count. Example: if main scale reading equal to 15 mm and Vernier scale reading equal to 25 mm and least count already given 0.02 mm. So according to formula, 15 plus 25 into 0.02, that is 15 plus 0.5. That means Vernier caliper reading equal to 15.5 mm. That is actual reading. This is outer dia measuring process. This is inner dia measuring process. This is depth measuring process. So friends, we have a Vernier caliper and a workpiece. So let's see practically now. This is Japanese made Vernier caliper. You can see the reading of Vernier is 0 to 10.
That is actually 50 division.
And main scale reading is 0 to 200. And also you can see the 49 Vernier scale reading, that is touched to main scale 50. And always remember to start taking reading from 0 of Vernier caliper. Alright, now we will take reading of this workpiece, thickness of the workpiece. Now finally look this reading. The Vernier scale 0 reading lies between 6 and 7 on the main scale. So main scale reading is 6. And for Vernier scale reading, we will watch carefully that which line exactly match or straight to main scale reading. So look, Vernier scale 8 or 40 division is exactly matched to main scale. And 8 means 8 into 5, that is 40 mm. So Vernier scale reading is 40 and the least count is 0.02. It is already known. So now by formula we can put it 6 plus 40 into 0.02, that is 6.8 mm. That is final reading by Vernier caliper. So it is actual reading. So friends, like this measurement, we can take every measurement by this process. Also watch it for measuring process of outer dia. This is the thickness measuring process. This is inner dia measuring process. And this is the depth or height measuring process. Right friends, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.